Imagine if you could get compensated for each ad that appeared while you were viewing videos rather than getting irritated and looking for the skip ad button. Wouldn't that be nice? There is a little known trick that earns you money every time you see an advertisement that nobody is talking about. The wonderful thing about it is that you can do it for free from anywhere on the globe, including your house. I can assure you that if you don't adhere to the exact instructions throughout the entire video, you won't be able to achieve the same results. So be sure to watch the entire thing through to the end and not skip any of the steps. Next, let's go over the 3 steps to making $7.44 per 30-second advertisement. I'll be disclosing the top platform that pays users to view advertisements. I'll show you how to make money from other people watching advertising in step 2, and in step 3, I'll reveal how to make $10,000 every month. Let's get right to it. As you can see, this platform, which pays users to watch ads, has paid its users over millions of dollars, or almost $1 billion, since it was founded. Now, what you can do is cash out in many different ways, so if you want to cash out in Amazon gift cards, you can do that. Gift cards for Walmart, prepaid Visa cards. Now this platform is called Swagbucks. Okay, so Swagbucks is a rewards platform that rewards you for watching ads. You can do that by choosing the amount you would like to redeem, whether it be $10, $50, $100, or even up to $500. Now we will navigate to the location that will pay us to watch ads. To do this, we will hover over this little Discover tab and click on Discover Home, which will bring us to this page where we will click on this unique button right here called AdSend Media. This is the specific offer that is showing people ads and then paying people out just for clicking on those ads. So what we are going to do is go to AdSense Media, which is located here. That will get us here, where you can watch any films you wish to, whether they are YouTube videos or amusing cat videos. Sweets, there are numerous genres here for all the videos you currently watch. Viral tutorials for musicians gaming the adventure film. You can watch your favorite videos here while also getting paid for your time, so come here and check out the videos. Then you can access the particular type of film you enjoy, and as you can see, they'll always pay you in Swagbucks, which you can later exchange for Amazon gift cards. Gift cards for PayPal, Apple gift cards and the like, so you could simply press start earning to pop up the video, and then, boom, you get paid. You could do that all day long, for as long as you'd like. Just scroll down, and they have more and more videos and ads for you to watch. All you have to do is click load more offers to access the seemingly endless supply of advertisements. The question is, how do we get other people to actually watch these ads? The first thing we're going to do is click the Refer and Earn button under the More tab. This will take you to a page where you can get a bonus from Swagbucks as well as 10 lifetime earnings for anyone you refer. I'll show you exactly how to get people to click on your referral link here in the next 7 days so that they can sign up and begin watching videos. First, we'll copy the referral link, then head over to the first platform. This is a good platform to use because it will definitely help you reach more than 100,000 people, but there's a second platform that's even better. The first platform right here is Facebook, so what you're going to do is go there, search for Make Money Online, click on Groups, and then toggle this to Public Groups. That will bring up all of these public groups that you could join right now that have people actively looking for make money online opportunities and work from home opportunities, as you can see in this one right here. We're going to click on People Seeking Jobs, and you can see that many of them are looking for straightforward work from home opportunities. Next, we're going to post an advertisement for free. To do this, we're going to click this button, which will bring us here, and then we're going to click on Category Jobs. We could approach job seekers or look for business prospects. Decent location, put your location, add the phrase work from home opportunity, ask for $100 per hour, and then specify that this is a work from home position with a flexible schedule that you may take advantage of. Thanks for tuning into this wild trick of earning money, and be sure to stay tuned for more exciting content from us in the future.